Welcome back to My Verses. This is Vaibhavi Joshi, and here I am sharing my views and experiences with you all. So, I was thinking about what topic should I choose for this week's episode, and then I came up with an idea of journaling. We all are having a bad time, and there is negativity all around us. I can't help you a lot, but I can assure that this episode will really help you. So, let's start. When you think of journaling or when you think of writing in diary, you may imagine a teenage girl or boy sitting at the desk with dim lights, a pen, a diary, and a collection of thoughts with them. They might be writing about their heartbreak, about a bad event, or about their crush, which we teenagers usually write about. But journaling has no age limits. Even no one is gonna check or read your journal. It's a private relationship between you and the diary or journal, and you can write whatever you want in any language you are comfortable with. Well, keeping a journal is having so many benefits which are helpful to you only. And I am not copy pasting the information and theories from Google. I am telling you with my own experience. Technically, journaling is nothing but putting some words on a piece of paper, and this small activity can affect you a lot. It can help you to maintain your mental health, which is important in today's era. You can write about your emotions, feelings, your goals, your achievements, lessons that you have learned, your mistakes which you don't want to repeat, and many more. If you feel like you have no one to talk about your current situation, then start talking with yourself. Behave like journal is a part of you only, which is ready 24/7 to listen to you. And it will never disappoint you. People will. Even if you have a good close friend, you can't share everything with that person. There are some things which are meant to be secrets. And even one day that person might get irritated and tell you to shut up. But a journal will never do this. Even keeping a journal can give solutions to your problems. Like this sounds crazy, a piece of paper giving solutions to your problems. And it is true. So let me elaborate how a journal can give you solutions. When you have to make a decision or when you have to come to a conclusion, you become anxious and you can only think of the solution from one side. It can be good or bad, depends upon the situation. And keeping a journal can make you think of the situation from two sides, again, good or bad. Okay, let's see that your day wasn't good enough and you are freaked out. So, in this situation, grab a pen, write about what happened today, what you did the whole day, and how you are feeling now. After completing it, close the diary, wash your face, drink warm water, get some fresh air, and try to distract yourself. After an hour or 2 hours, come back, reread what you have wrote, and you will get to know what was wrong in the situation. Because this time your perspective has been changed and you are playing a role of third person. You will know your day wasn't bad and you will find positivity. Just try this. You will feel much better. And it is a fact that your journal encourages and motivates you. If you ever feel demotivated or you feel like nothing is going right and you can't fight anymore, then read your journal again, where you have fought with circumstances before. At that time, you felt the same demotivation, but the time passed and things became sorted. The situation is not much different from the previous one. If you have fought with the situation earlier also, then why you can't do it now? And if you will win again this time, then this whole memory will motivate you to fight strongly with the upcoming challenges. Motivation comes from within. And when you will read your journal in future, you will be proud of yourself that you haven't gave up in any position. And this all is what makes you a successful person. And there is one more thing about writing a diary. It helps you to relive your moments. There might be some part of your life which you have forget unintentionally, and having a diary can remind you of that. And the most important thing which diary does is reducing stress, anxiety, and depression. I think there is no need to explain the whole thing. Just start maintaining a diary and you will see the results within a week. And it is not necessary that you should write journal daily. 3 4 times a week is sufficient. Just remember to record the main events of your life. And for writing, you don't need a proper diary with hardcover. You can even use a regular notebook if you don't have any proper diary. So, let me share my experience of journaling. So, I started maintaining a diary because I felt like there is no one with whom I can share my feelings freely. And my first diary wasn't a proper diary, it was a notebook because if I will ask my parents to give me a diary and if they see me writing something in it, then they might get curious about what I am writing and they might try to read it when I am not at home. So I used a notebook as a precaution. That notebook wasn't having any cover or something. It looked like a simple notebook only. And the plus point was that I can open the notebook and write freely, pretending that I am doing my homework. And no one found something fishy. This all happened when I was 11 years old, and from then till now, I have maintained my diary. I don't write regularly, but yes, I have captured all the big events. And the good thing is now I am writing in a proper diary with a hardcover. So if you don't want anyone to read your diary, then writing in a notebook is the best substitute you can have. And till now, I haven't found any negative side of keeping a journal until you believe that it is a waste of money, time, paper, and ink. So the conclusion is try to write something twice or thrice a week and you will get the results very soon. So, ending this episode here, I hope you all are safe and doing good. You can drop some suggestions on my Instagram handle, it's me Avi, or on comment section of my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice day.